What's up guys, Dan here at King Automotive. Behind me we have this 2021 Dodge Ram 1500. Customer bought it to us telling us that they wanted to make a little changes to it so it doesn't look completely stock. So what we're doing to it, we're actually going to start it off with a 2-inch rough country leveling kit. To go with that, we're adding a set of 33-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss all-terrain tires. To finish it off, we're going to go with some Nerf bar side steps. By the time we're done with it, it should look pretty different. Stay tuned.